Learners and leaders. Two great buildings, one fabulous school.
Welcome to Learners and Leaders Kindergarten Open House. My name is Lynn and I'm the school leader. Here at Learners and Leaders, we like to say we have two great buildings and we're one fabulous school. Today we want to give you the kindergarten experience. You will meet kindergarten teachers, visit kindergarten classrooms, and see other facilities that your children will use during their educational life here at the school.
Hi! Welcome to the 305 campus. Come on in, let me give you a tour of our building. Welcome to Learners and Leaders. I'm Miss Sabrina, one of the assistant principals. I welcome you to our school community. I'd love to show you around at our fabulous building. Meet Miss Arlene. She's our safety agent. Hi. She makes sure that all of the boys and girls are safe. She even knows all of the boys and girls' first names, and even their family members. This is our cafeteria. Meet Miss Maria, our head cook.
Hi everybody, welcome to my school.
So this is our cafeteria. This is where the boys and girls get to have lunch each and every day. In addition, we use this space for morning arrival and dismissal. My very favorite place of all is when the boys and girls get to go and play over at the playground right behind me. Come check it out. Welcome to the 305 campus playground. This is my favorite place of all. This is a place where the boys and girls get to come outside for recess and play with their friends. Don't worry, we got you covered, because on days like today, if there's snow on the ground or rain outside, boys and girls get a chance to play inside in the gym. Here's our main office. Come on in. This is the heart of our school. This is the main office. Parents, if you have any questions or concerns, you can call the main office and one of our friendly staff members is always available here to help you with any questions you may have. Meet one of our school aides, Miss Michelle.
Please hold. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to our school. Can't wait to meet you all. Bienvenidos a nuestra escuela, familias. Espero conocerlo pronto.
And here is one of our fabulous paraprofessionals, Miss Soha.
Hi everyone, I am Miss Soha. I am one of the paraprofessionals at PS 305 and I'm also help the school to communicate with Arabic speaking parents. Hi, معكم مس سهى. بشتغل هنا paraprofessional وبساعد المدرسة انها تتواصل مع العائلات اللي بتتكلم عربي.
Welcome to the nurse's office. Meet Miss Beljeet. She's our full-time school nurse.
Hello everyone, welcome to PS 305. I just want to share with you that if your child has any medical concern or any medical issues, you can always reach out to me. Always welcome here.
Everyone. Hi families, hi boys and girls. My name is Miss Alyssa and I'm a teacher here at PS 305 Learners and Leaders. Today I want to tell you a little bit about our curriculum here in school. So we do, for reading and writing, a curriculum called Teacher College, TC. It's a little bit of a workshop model where the children are on the rug, we teach them, then they go back to their seats and they do some independent work. We also do conferencing during reading and writing where we take 2 to 3 children and really help them hone in on their skills. We also do individual work where a teacher works one-on-one with a student to really help them strive during reading and writing. Our math, we use Envisions. Envisions is a very hands-on math program where we use different manipulatives to really help the students soar. We use snapping cubes and number lines and anything else that children need. We also do some interactive smartboard work during math. For our phonics program, we use Foundations. Foundations is an excellent program where the children really learn their letters and sounds, and it kind of goes A, apple, A. So they really associate a picture with a letter and a sound, and they make all those connections to really help them soar during reading and writing as well. For social studies, we use something called Passports, where it's very hands-on. The children really love it and make different connections to the outside world and in the classroom. We really like to go and explore the world. We do different family traditions and really try to include the parents during our social studies time. And lastly, for science, we do something called Amplify, where the students do different experiments in the classroom and they really get to learn through these hands-on experiences and experiment different things. And that's really what we do in the classroom. We really try to make sure each student is taken care of individually and shown the attention that they deserve. I hope you guys join us, and I hope to see you next year.
Hi boys and girls, my name is Mrs. Podmore and I'm one of the kindergarten teachers at Learners and Leaders. I wanted to say hello and tell you how much fun we have in our classroom. Not only do we learn so much together, but we also have fun. And one of the best times of the day is choice time. This is where you get to choose what you want to do. We have a block center where you can build, and a dramatic play center if you like to play dress up or play in the kitchen. We also have a library with so many cool books to read, and laptops and art supplies. So I hope you join me in the fall so we can learn and explore and play and have fun together.
Hi boys and girls, my name is Mr. Michael and I'm a kindergarten teacher here at PS 305. At PS 305 we believe in learning but also exercising our bodies and minds. One way that we exercise our bodies is by using a fun program called Go Noodle, where we get to dance and exercise. We also exercise by doing programs like Move to Improve, where we may do jumping jacks or stretches in order to relax our bodies and get our minds ready to learn. I can't wait to meet you all.
Hi boys and girls, hi families. My name is Mrs. DePalma and I am the kindergarten remote learning blended teacher at Learners and Leaders. So what that means is that when the kids are home on their remote learning days, I teach them all their subjects. I teach them math, I teach them reading, I teach them writing, we do letters, and we do the same thing that the kids that are in school are doing on the same days. So everything's consistent and the kids are learning and they're in routine, they have schedules to follow, and it really runs very smoothly. It has a community feel, it's welcoming, and we really feel like it is a very successful program. So we hope that you will join us in the fall, and I can't wait to meet all of you.
Greetings, families. Hi, boys and girls. I'm Miss Allen, and I am a special education teacher here at Learners and Leaders. So at Learners and Leaders, there are different types of classes. One class is known as an ICT class. So in an ICT class, there are two teachers. There's a special education teacher, and there's a general education teacher. And in that class, there are general education students and special education students. The other class is known as a self-contained class. So in a self-contained class, there's a special education teacher, there's a para, and 12 special education students. So we provide services based on your child's individual needs that is set on their IEP. So an IEP is known as an individual education plan. I hope to see you guys next year.
Hello, my name is Miss Katarina, and I am the ESL kindergarten teacher. In our program, students learn how to become proficient in the English language through reading, listening, speaking, and writing activities. This service is provided to students during school hours in order to support their student growth, along with their classroom teachers. Together, we develop English skills and give students the opportunity they need to communicate clearly and comfortably. We hope to see you soon. Take care.
Hi, my name is Natalie, and I'm the IEP teacher here at Learners and Leaders. For those of you who may not know, an IEP is an individualized education plan for a student who receives special services. Here at Learners and Leaders, we offer services such as the support of a special education teacher or a related service provider such as a counselor, a physical therapist, and many more. If your child receives special services, or if you ever have a question about their development, my team and I will be here for you.
At Learners and Leaders, protecting everyone from coronavirus is very important. We promote safe behaviors throughout the school. We have signs controlling the flow of traffic, social distancing with markers to show people how to keep their distance. We all wear masks throughout the day. And we make sure that we have reduced class size so there are fewer people in every classroom. Those are just a few of the things we do to make sure that we all stay as safe as possible at the school.
Hi, my name is Mr. Vic, and I am the other assistant principal at Learners and Leaders. This is the TRS Gymatorium. It is both a gymnasium and an auditorium. When it is a gymnasium, students in grades 3, 4, and 5 visit and participate in physical activity. Just like in the 305 campus, stations are set up that they visit. When it is an auditorium, students from both buildings come and visit. They can perform and watch performance at the TRS campus. And this is our all-purpose room that we converted into a gymnasium where students come and perform physical activities at each and every one of the centers that are set up. This is one of our 2 art rooms at Learners and Leaders. Children come to the art room to express themselves artistically in different mediums of art. Not only do we teach art at Learners and Leaders, we also have partnerships with outside organizations where children have made murals in this building and also in our feeding middle school. These 2 beautiful murals that you see at the front entrance of the TRS building were done by former 5th grade students. We received a grant that collaborated us with IS 93. The students from IS 93 were former students of Learners and Leaders. The Colorful World of Friendship is a beautiful mural that is proudly displayed on the first floor of the 305 campus. We received a grant that allowed 4th and 5th grade students to create this beautiful artistic display. Hello! One of the things that separates us from other schools is our extensive music program. And as you can see, there are many different instruments that the students are exposed to throughout their time in music. And another thing we focus on is actually teaching students how to read music. This is the TRS Campus Science Lab. Students in grades K to 2 learn science in their classroom. But students in grades 3, 4, and 5 receive their instruction right here in this wonderful science lab. This is one of our 2 libraries at Learners and Leaders. Children have free access to all the wonderful literature books that you see on the shelves next to me. Also, during the day, the library is converted into a technology lab, where students learn wonderful programs such as coding.
Coding, coding, coding! Coding with Cody!
Hi everyone, it's me, Cody the Coding Dog! And I'm so excited because you know why they call me the Coding Dog? Because I love coding.
Welcome to our school. My name is Deborah Villanueva, also known as Ms. V, and I'm the parent coordinator here at Learners and Leaders. We have a very committed parent empowerment program. School personnel works together with parents. Parents also have the opportunity to join the PTA Executive Board school leadership team and can volunteer within the school. When volunteering in the school, they can be helping out the PTA, helping in the cafeteria, and helping with clerical work within the main office, or even help teachers out. Thank you so much for considering our school in meeting your child's educational needs. See you soon.
We've hoped you've enjoyed this virtual tour of our very special school. Finding the right school for your child can be challenging and a little frightening. At Learners and Leaders, every child is precious to every member of our staff. If you send your child to Learners and Leaders, you can be confident that your child will be with loving, caring, and highly trained teachers. We know this has been a hard year because of COVID. If COVID is still an issue in September, then we will continue to do everything we can to ensure that to promote safe behaviors and ensure that everyone stays safe and healthy. We hope to see you soon.